Please ensure that you're familiar with the videos in this list. It will help you understand this topic better. Let's preview the document to print. The first page clearly shows the names of the employees paid in January. Let's look at the second page. The second page shows the names of the employees paid, but it does not show when the payments were made. Let's look at the third page. The third page shows the months in which the payments were made, but we can't see who the payments were made to. Let's look at the fourth page. The fourth page shows only payments, and we can't see who received them and when. To make the printed report readable, I need to show the months on every page as well as the names of the employees. Only in that way will it be possible to know who the payments were made to as well as when. In this video, I will explain how to accomplish this. To show the table titles shown in the first row on every printed page, follow the steps shown on the screen. I first click the Page Layout tab. Second, I click Print Titles. Third, I click the box next to Rows to Repeat at top. Fourth, in the workbook, I click the Title Headers row. As you can see, row number 1 is automatically entered in the text box Rows to Repeat at top. Finally, I click OK. Now, let's see how the print preview looks. We see that the first, second, third, and fourth pages have title headers in each column. Now we can identify the month in which the payments were made. To show the first two columns of the table on every printed page, follow the steps shown on the screen. I first click the Page Layout tab. Second, I click Print Titles. Third, I click the box next to Columns to Repeat at left. Fourth, in the workbook, I select the first two columns. As you can see, columns A and B are automatically entered in the text box Columns to Repeat at left. Finally, I click OK. Now, let's see how the print preview looks. We can see that the first, second, third, and fourth pages have the first two columns displayed. Now we can identify the employees that were paid on every page.